So you want to start a YouTube channel and you're waiting for the right time or the right opportunity or the right moment. Let me tell you something, that moment never comes. Today I will share with you 5 things I wish I knew before I started my YouTube channel. And trust me, these tips and mistakes will save you a lot of time, money and energy. Sit back, relax while I roll out this tip for you. I'll be right back. Alright, let me welcome you to my show, Kingsley Omoefe TV. Please kindly subscribe for more tips on Hollywood and a lot of information. Now let's dive in. First off, you don't need fancy camera or fancy phone, you just need this. This will help you a lot. Just put it on, use natural light and you're good to go. So first up, you don't need any fancy gadget or fancy camera to start with. Just start. The truth is, just start. Let me just tell you, your phone is enough for you to start with. Your phone is enough for you to start with. You don't need those high-end cameras and all that. Just have something to say. You have anything to say, first off, just go with your camera, press the button and you're good to go. So the content creation and growth strategy. Look at the creators, look at the niche that you want, right? What niche do you want to talk about? Study and engage your audience. How they engage how they engage their audience, how they talk to their people, how they generate growth, how they make people interested in whatever they're saying. So you need to grow. That's where you need to look at more than the kind of equipment or cameras that you're using. So basically, your phone is all you might need for a start, but just make sure the quality is good enough for people to watch. Okay. Tip number 2: consistency is the key. You have to be consistent. You don't do it today and say, okay, you must push. You must continue putting content out there, putting materials out there. Make sure people understand what you're saying. Let there be clarity. The biggest mistake I made earlier was waiting for perfection. I was saying to myself, I don't know how to present very well. I'm a shy person when it comes to stay in front of the camera. But let me tell you something, just be consistent, just keep pushing, and let people who are also good, who are like-minded to you, let them know your flaws, let them know what your shortcomings are. They will help you out, right? So basically, be consistent. Don't worry about it. Just push it out there. If there are a lot of people that done YouTube podcasts or vlogs, like when you see their presentation, you'll be like, wow. But guess what? You can do better. So your content growth and strategy will be just have a bit of basic knowledge of cinematography, simple angles, simple lighting, basically maybe natural lighting, simple shots, and start building your style. Then find out what works for you. At the end of the day, you don't have to be like every other person. Say because Ali Abda is the best or Mr. Beast is the best. No, you just create your own style. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to create my own style. So at the end of the day, people also realize that know me for this kind of style. So just a basic shot, basic recording, editing quite basic and all that. But at the end of the day, let there be clarity. Let people understand the message you're trying to pass across. Let there be good quality at the end of the day. Tip number 3: your first 50 or so videos doesn't have to be perfect, right? They can have issues with you spying at the script, or you smiling, or you not knowing what to do at some point in time. But guess what? It doesn't have to be perfect. First 50 or 100 script and 100 videos, but keep pushing. Like I said earlier, use the camera that you have, the camera that you can get your hands on, and be consistent. Be consistent. So at the end of the day, if you keep saying that my videos are not so good, my videos are like that, you find out that you keep holding on or holding back and you won't start. So the most important thing is that start. Just start. You have to look at other YouTubers, look at their videos, look how they do it, but you don't necessarily have to copy their style, but learn something from it and see how you can perfect it. Like I said, create your own pattern, create your own style. You don't have to be like every other person. Be your own self, do the right thing, be at your convenience, do whatever is convenient for you, in your office, in your house, in bedroom, outside, in your car, anywhere that you think is convenient for you. For me, I feel that I'm convenient sitting in the office, in the cover of my office, and people not barging in and out without distractions and all that. So basically, do that also. I've watched a lot of videos, tons and tons of videos and all that, that's been helping me to build up my inspiration and build up my video quality and the kind of concept I want to create. So basically, make sure you have a very good, adopt good strategies from other YouTubers that are in your niche. Don't copy them, just learn and find your unique way out of them. Next up, don't focus too much on the numbers. When you start thinking, how many views I'm gonna have, how many views I'm gonna have, how many subscribers and all that, forget the numbers. Just keep doing what you're doing, right? People will definitely look and search for your channel. If you're doing something good that people want to listen, people want to watch, they will see it and come for it. So just forget numbers, concentrate on doing the right thing. People will definitely search you out. Trust me. I'm speaking from my experience. There are things that I've done before that I put online, and I feel that it's going to work. By the end of the day, there are people who's going to watch. We have billions of people on YouTube all over the world. So if you have something to say, that people are ready to listen, that people are ready to watch. So be consistent and do the right thing. Have a good strategy for your niche. Forget the numbers. For me, I was obsessed with numbers niche. I was thinking, how am I going to get the numbers, subscribers and all that. But there are a lot of ways that you can basically grow. There are growth strategies for you to grow your numbers, grow your viewership, grow your numbers and all that. Just do the right thing. The search engines, optimization softwares and all that can help out in growing numbers. Tip number 4, join a community of YouTubers. I joined the Think Media 1K challenge, which helped me to build my niche, build my personal productivity, my growth, my confidence, and actually build my push. So after I did the challenge, that was when I now got the push. So basically, I advise you to a lot of community out there that you can join. Content creators community, content creators academy that you can join, that can help within yourself. You can create within yourself, or you can join online. And of course, basically you must be online everywhere all the time, not basically all the time, but at least have access to internet, have access to data, watch YouTube strategies, join communities and grow. When you join on these communities, you expect to have feedback. You'll give feedback if they are paid platforms, some of their paid platforms. So basically they'll give you professional feedbacks on how you can develop and grow your content, how you can develop and grow your niche, and how you can have support. So I will advise and encourage that you guys join some of these YouTube communities that are abound all over the places. Tip number 5. Be aware that YouTube is not a sprint, it's not 100 meters start, it's a marathon, it's a long-term game, it's a long-term game, right? It's a long-term game. It's not, let me just start today and start having the numbers. No, have that back of your mind that you have to put in the work, you have to put on the energy, you have to put on the quality, you have to do all the things that make sure that you drive success. So if you're looking for overnight success, YouTube is not for you. You have to be patient, keep creating, keep learning and improving every day. Success will come and definitely will take time, but success will definitely come. So we have to be very, very patient. Like I said, it's not 100 meters dash. It's a marathon, it's a long-term game, right? So you have to get tips for, a lot of tips are about how you can grow your channel. So basically, use SEO tools like vidIQ or TubeDaddy to optimize your videos. They will help your content to get discovered faster, especially in the beginning when you don't have the momentum yet. Now, let me get into some practical tips where you help grow your YouTube faster. Start with what you know. Start with what you know. Don't go and be talking about things that you don't know. Like for me, I'm a Nollywood practitioner, I'm a filmmaker, so I'm talking about what I know best, which is Nollywood. Of course, I'm not talking about travel, because I like travel. There are things I also know, productivity, and of course, a bit of management. These are things. So the advice basically starts from what you know, right? Something that you are passionate about. Don't try to copy someone you're not. Okay, this will help you connect with your audience and keep you motivated and create consistency. Study successful content creators in your niche. You can learn from there and you can grow from there. You can become successful and be great from there. There are people who have been doing things. It's not that it's new. There's nothing that is new online. Everything that is online has been done before. Just for you to just have a look at people who have done before and create your niche with them. Learn from them and grow from them. Have a basic idea of editing. Right? Of course, editing can be time consuming. But the faster you learn the process, the more content you'll be able to create. You don't need a fancy editor to get started. Just start with simple tools, right? You have tools like CapCut, like iMovie, even Premiere Pro. These are things that you can use to edit. So learn editing fast as you can, because these are things that will basically hold you again. Speak from experience as a filmmaker. After you're done shooting, the major thing that will usually mess you up is editing, post-production. So basically the advice is that learn how to edit, basic editing. Nothing too fancy, not too cheesy. Just learn with those simple cut and all that. You can almost go on YouTube and learn how to use some of these editing tools. They are bound there. There are tons and tons of content for you to learn from. Thumbnails. You got to make high-catching thumbnails. Basically you need thumbnails, high-catching thumbnails that will make people want to see your content and all that. There are ways that you can create them. You can create them through Canva, in CapCut, and basic things. They even template that you can just copy and just adjust and just put them on. Make sure, because one thing is that make sure you do your nice thumbnails. Thumbnails is everything. The first thing people will see, and it could be the difference between them clicking or scrolling past your video. So basically, make very good thumbnails. So I also advise you to study some successful thumbnails in your niche, right? Look for trends in colors, font styles, and all that will help you. Okay, make sure your thumbnails are visually appealing and tell the story at first glance. Okay. Learn how to engage your community. Respond to comment, ask for feedback, show that you care about what they're watching. Let them know you care, you're happy that you're watching your content, they're seeing your content. Make sure they're happy, engage them, chat with them, ask questions. Make sure that you provide support, accountability that will help. You can even create challenge just to make sure you keep track with them and also engage them. And it's nice when you engage with your community. Don't compare yourself with bigger channels, okay? Don't compare yourself with big YouTubers and all that. Just when you're starting, it's easy to look at big channel and say, I feel discouraged. Man, these people are, what am I going to? No, don't be discouraged. Instead, let them motivate you to grow. That if you go to their 001 video, their first video, you find out, they'll tell you how they started, the challenges that they faced, how they overcame them and all that. So basically, learn from them. Don't feel discouraged. They're supposed to improve you or motivate you. So please don't compare yourself with bigger channels or bigger YouTubers, okay? Once you get good content and you put them out there and you get a niche content, what you think people will watch, and interesting topics and all that, then use such SEO and optimization tools like I mentioned, vidIQ and the rest of them, to optimize your content and all that. Even you can promote your content and all that. So at the end of the day, not build your channel will grow when you have good strategies. So make sure you also learn strategies to make sure you grow your content. So basically, these are the things that I use to grow my channels, and subscribe to all these optimization tools that will help you to grow. Okay. Alright guys, it's a wrap up to this episode. These are the five things I wish I knew if I started YouTube. Some tips that I think that will save you a lot of mistakes, a lot of errors, that will basically save you time, money and energy, right? So you don't have to worry about it, just start before you are ready. So if you take these tips and strategies to heart, I promise you, you're on your way to success. So don't worry about it, don't overthink it, because that's one of the major challenges we have as creators. We overthink, don't overthink it, just start before you're ready, right? You don't have to like get everything put perfect. You don't have to have the perfect light or the perfect cameras, just start. So start and start and start. So will be my advice to you, start before you're ready. If you find these tips helpful, like, share and subscribe for more content and tips. And if you have any questions or any comment, drop them below on the comment section. I'll definitely read them through and get back to you so we can discuss them. Maybe there are things that you want to learn more, that you want to know about content creation or about the industry or about anything generally that you think I can help out. Don't forget to put it on the comment section so I can connect for that. Like I said, let's talk about your YouTube journey. Okay, let's talk about everything about your YouTube journey, how we can motivate ourselves. I'm a growing YouTuber also, but let's see how we can motivate ourselves to grow. So growth to get better growth strategies at the end of the day. Thank you for watching the King Samuel TV channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and I see you on the next one.